This expedition involved us living in tents on the frozen seas of the Arctic Ocean. When we first arrived, it was dark and cold, but this changed over the season, and eventually by the end it was relatively warm, and the sun was up for 24 hours a day. Average temperatures were minus 25 degrees, but we experienced storms with gale-force winds that dropped the temperatures to below minus 70 degrees Celsius. Cold was our biggest danger. We had to wear extreme weather clothing and never expose our skin to the cold for long periods of time, otherwise we risked getting frostbite. This isn't an easy thing to do when you're dealing with seawater and delicate scientific instruments, and we faced several challenges. Delicate electrical equipment had to be kept warm. The best way to do that is to put it inside your jacket and give it your body heat. Wires and metal freeze and become brittle in the cold, so we quickly learnt to become electricians and engineers as well as scientists. Some of the seawater samples that we were collecting had to stay unfrozen, and to do this we had to keep our tent stoves constantly going. A couple of times they broke down and the day would be spent fixing them and moving samples and equipment to other warm tents. The worst bit of the day was getting out of our nice warm sleeping bags and scrambling to get on our gloves and jackets before the fresh ice that had formed inside our tents fell on us and began to freeze on our face and hands.